In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily rename a chat within your app. If you've ever found yourself scrolling through your list of conversations, perhaps feeling a little overwhelmed by general names that are easily mixed up, you'll find this tutorial particularly useful. By customizing chat names, you can keep your app organized and easily accessible, allowing for a smoother experience every time you log in. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is open the app. Make sure you're logged in and your main dashboard or home screen is visible. This is your starting point for all actions within the app. Whether you're using it for personal musings or as a powerful productivity tool, navigation begins here. Once you've got the app open in front of you, direct your attention to the upper left-hand corner of your screen. You're going to want to click on the sidebar. This area is like the control panel of your app dashboard, displaying all your options at a glance. Clicking the sidebar will reveal a series of tabs and options that are key to navigating the inner workings of the app. Now, with the sidebar open, take a moment to browse through your list of chats. Here, you'll see all your ongoing conversations, whether personal or professional. Find the specific chat that you would like to rename. When you've located it, go ahead and click on it. This action will highlight the chat, indicating it's the one you're preparing to make changes to. Next, look towards the three tiny dots, often found in the upper right or near the chat's title. These dots are universally recognized as a drop-down menu sign in many apps, hosting additional options or actions you can take within this specific area. Clicking on these dots will open a menu that includes various choices for managing your chat. Within this menu, you are looking for the Rename option. Click on Rename, and this will allow you to input a new title for your chat. This is the critical step where you can exercise your creativity or perhaps add a more functional name that speaks to the chat's purpose or contents. Finally, after typing your desired new name for the chat, you simply press Enter. Entering it finalizes and saves your changes, setting your new name in place of the old one. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your conversations organized and easy to navigate. And there you have it. You've successfully renamed your chat to a title that suits your needs. This process not only helps in decluttering your app and making it more navigable, but also adds a personal touch to your digital interactions. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and remember to keep exploring the app for any additional features that can further enhance your user experience.